Hello dear viewers, hope you are well. Welcome to my channel Health is Beauty. Today I will show Eid Special Jorda recipe. This recipe is very special for any occasion, especially Eid. Some people find it technically difficult, but actually it's nothing difficult. Just to prove that and do a really cool version of Jorda or Mitha Chawal, I am going to do this. But I am making very simple Jorda recipe with a twist of pineapple. So you can also call it pineapple Jorda. One cup soaked sela rice, 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoon ghee, 2 tablespoon raisins, 4 tablespoon chopped almonds, 2 tablespoon chopped cashew nuts, 4 tablespoon chopped pistachios, 1 pinch of saffron and 2 cardamom pods, half cup sugar, 1/4 cup mawa, 7 pineapple slices. In a pan, add 1/4 cup ghee, 2 tablespoon raisins, 2 tablespoon almonds, 2 tablespoon cashews, a pinch of saffron. Now stir it. Once it is sauté, add 1.5 cup water. 1.5 cup water. 2 green cardamom pods, 1 cup soaked sela rice, now mix it with these dry nuts. Now cover it. See, the rice is 90% done. Spread half cup sugar. Now sugar will dissolve slowly and will be absorbed by rice. Along with that, I am adding 1/4 cup mawa. Now cover it and cook it over low flame for 10 to 12 minutes. Open the lid. Slightly stir it. And see, sugar has started to coat the rice. See the glaze and the shine of Jorda. My Jorda is perfectly done. Now I will do remaining preparation. Take another pan and spread 7 pineapple slices around the pot. Usually 7 pieces pineapple is perfect for this size of pot. Make sure you press it down well. And the most important part, spread 2 tablespoons ghee on the top of the pineapple. Spread a little bit sugar on the top of the pineapple. Now transfer the jorda. Spread 1/4 cup of mawa. It is homemade mawa. You will get the link in my description box. Spread 2 tablespoons pistachios. Two tablespoons almonds. Slightly press it down. Cover it. Now this step is very important to cover the rice and cook over very low flame, or put a tawa beneath the pot and cook for at least 15 minutes. Because I want all the juice of the pineapples to get absorbed by the rice, which take time. So don't hurry. When fragrance of pineapple juice comes on top, at the time you will understand. Now it is done. Open the cover. See, it is looking like a cake. Now increase the flame. The pineapple has to burn little bit from the bottom, otherwise it will not taste good. Now flip it. Now lift it slowly. Garnish with almonds. Place the rose petals, my pineapple jorda is ready. it is the time to taste. See, the rice is well cooked and the pineapple also well cooked. The smell is amazing. The aroma of ghee and the flavor of pineapple juice makes it incredibly delicious. Please try and enjoy it with your family and friends. Put your valuable comments in my comment box. Your comments always inspire me. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for being with me and watching my YouTube channel Health is Beauty.